another badge. But I guess by default, there wouldn't be any badge.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah, I agree with that. So, like, not to derail the discussion too much, but I was saying like the tree view at least that like as a first version could be something like Reddit. I think that would also work quite well with the content moderation badge or expand to see moderated content.
Yeah.
Because already you also have like I don't use it that much, but I remember you have like if a comment was flagged, you could expand to see it or something like that, and you would also see the child comments.
Yeah, yes, sounds good. I'll check it out to get more ideas and actually see how it could work.
All right, let's continue the round. So next we have Stas.
Yeah, so I'm primarily focused on two things.
I don't know if you can speak a little bit louder, Stas. Maybe you're far from the microphone.
Is it better right now?
A little bit better.
So I focused on two things last week. The first was the upgradability mechanism, so learn the common patterns along with the types of storage architecture used in space. Also got familiarized with the well-known vulnerabilities and corresponding workarounds. And the second thing was going into the low level of EFM to learn and understand of what is going on under the hood. So I explored some important fundamental concepts of how the bytecode is executed on EFM, what is happening on the call stack during the execution, and how that data is handled and stored across different locations. So after this, I got a not good, but at least something that I can work with in terms of understanding. And on this week, I'm going to focus on cross-chain concept and proceeding in studying the proof of humanity contracts so that I can make a review, and also some small bug fixes in the token created list repo. And that's it.
Thank you, Stas. Daniel.
Yes, so I'm currently working on V2, like Kleros governing. I haven't properly started yet because I was addressing the issues from the Shatara's review for Sartesian module. Actually did some, not drastic, but some like rather drastic changes. I decided to revert the change that allowed to have multiple modules at once because I thought it will get too complicated, and now I think it's a lot better. I also keep running into some bugs along the way and fixing them, so I'll make a push soon. So yeah, other thing is Ferit fixed the issue with the cross-chain proxy on Polygon. So basically now we're almost ready with deployment of the proxies or the Polygon proxies. So I don't know, maybe like in 2 weeks, ideally, because the contract still needs to be reviewed and no one yet reviewed them. And yeah, there are bots as well, needs to be developed.
Then do you know who will be working on the bots? Is it you or someone else?
I think me and George can do it. I have not, I never did it, but I think we can manage because it's very similar to the proxy on XDAI. So it should not be, I mean, it should be solvable.
Hey, Goldman.
Hello. Okay. I'm.
Yeah.
I have a question, like related to dispute resolver. So on proof of humanity, in the like V1 interface, when there is a dispute, there is a link that takes you to dispute resolver. But since it's only mainnet, like you wouldn't have problems with it. But if it's multi-chain and you are connected to mainnet, but the dispute is on Gnosis, then you might go to dispute 42 and it might just show, like on dispute resolver, I think it shows like the dispute on the chain you are connected to. So is there like a better way to link it? Like, could you specify the chain in dispute resolver? Or maybe use something else?
Oh, Ferit is managing it. So you have to ask him.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Daniel. Next, Green.
Hey, so last week I gave this talk on Berlin about state curate and curation on etc. I also refactored the UBI contract. Yeah, the previous version had a few issues, and I just made the contract from scratch to support the work, like the flow that Javier proposed in the policy he wrote. So yeah, right now the tasks I have in hand are fixing the curate frontend. Now I just learn of a new bug. Yeah, we'll have to go fix it. So fix the curate frontend to use Goerli and Arbitrum so that one man and JB can keep progressing. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it.
Thank you, Green. Then George.
Yeah, hi guys. So something exciting last week. The guys at Protocol Labs are going to give us our own gateway. So next to pretty much having unlimited storage in IPFS, it should also be pretty quick in retrieval. So any kind of data that you have, public data, we can upload it at scale without any issue. Provide the documentation for that on Notion, or you can reach out to me. I had a question maybe for the smart contractors. For anything that is running on XDAI, the team that knows it is, well, they're debating whether or not they should remove Aura before the merge or not. I don't know if that could break anything for us. As I saw that Aura had some specific, functionalities, kind of like block hash, I guess. Also,
what was Aura?
Yeah, Aura is the mechanism that they use. So they went from POA Aura to now POS. And obviously Ethereum went from POW to POS. So they're coming from a different source, and that's not really going great with the clients.
Okay. It's the old consensus, I guess.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
So I don't know if that's gonna break anything. I don't think so, but just a heads up to everybody. Yeah, and as for the bots, making a new example for containerization of it. There's an example I had already for another bot running for a while, and this one should be more of a skeleton template.
Yeah.
I think George had some stuff to discuss, like regarding the proof of humanity parts. should we have it? Should we have this discussion like with some others at the end of this meeting, or maybe next one? What do you think?
I was thinking either we could do it after this call in a huddle, or we do it on Wednesday's call.
Yeah, I think like there are more members joining, like JB, who else?
I think
Okay.
either day is fine with me.
Let's start it after this call in the team dev huddle, and because it does concern V2 as well for the court, but also one is more of a decision that maybe Clermont will have to make.
All right. Thanks, George. Okay. Have I missed anyone? I can see we have anything.
Hey,
Yeah, go ahead.
hey, so
Hey, hello.
I just got back from some time off last week. While I was away, I've been reviewing the Kleros yellow paper, preparation as well for token 2, 2049. I was able to move forward with the Cleoverse partnership, and we're gonna be releasing some contents like Twitter Spaces, AMAs, to like attract the first couple of contributors for Kleros Guild. Been following up with Eden about Proof of Humanity, and it's been added to their product roadmap to add verified human badges to